And like Cody got that boat in the background. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the New York session live streams again. We're up here live. For some people, it's afternoon already, so welcome. Let's see what we can get today. Let's get the zoom in slowly as well. Start. There we go. What? Man got that fresh cut. This is back. Yeah, man. Got a dumbass question in the chat already. When's a goner? Hello. Good morning. That music. There it goes. Slowly filling up. Man, like Mitch got that beat. Good morning. Slowly filling up. Gonna probably redo my analysis for a second. But it does look like that we made a fake out 30-minute time frame on gold. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Look about the markets. That paid thing. Yeah, let's remove all analysis on gold and GJ in a second. GJ didn't really do much. We did have GJ sells. Am I muted? No, I'm not muted. Right? Yeah, for the second I was opening YouTube, I was muted. Perfect. So let's start. This. I do see some cells below this level, but let's remove it for a second and do it straight away. Look like we're pulling away from a weekly support right here. Pretty much tapped it. Tapped the support. Pick on the 5 minute, no. Daily support coming up from that. Now there was still, I was looking for sells in the London session, but sells never got back into play because the daily doesn't really have a bottom wick yet, and we might have potential to fill the wick even though we closed that support. But it seems like that the 4 hour is getting a little bit weaker. Coming up to this zone right here to the left, we might reject off that. Looks like start flipping. Gonna reject that zone and come back down from this support right here on the 1 hour time frame. If that happens, we're gonna be able to target this zone right here and then continue moving down towards these levels right here. Yeah, I think there's a high probability for that to happen if we start breaking structure, because structure is right here. We have a bullish candle, we have a bearish candle, we created support. Now if we break that structure, we're going to be continuing moving back down. Probably first target's going to be this zone above here, 8.6, but that's that doesn't really matter. We need to see what we can do. Start breaking down. Because if you, as you can see on the 30-minute time frame, what we pretty much did, right? We have this this resistance right here. And that's probably a resistance all the way to the left as well, this zone where we're rejecting off. And what pretty much happened is that this candle tried to, you know, come out at this little area right here, and it pretty much faked out back down. On the 1 hour, the same thing is pulling back down. It's coming from this 1 hour support, so we're not breaking down yet. But if we start breaking the lows, we do have a high probability of going back down. Probability is there. I don't know. Wants to go further up to. Yeah, could do. But if we start rejecting already, you know, the moment we're just in this range right now, we need to come out the way up and break the current highs again, or we're back down. Because there is still a high probability that this 1 hour wick up top here is going to get filled. If you look left on the 4 hour and the daily time frame, this was a previous daily resistance level. You see? And if you look at the 4 hour, we just rejected off that from the top wicks here to the left, so we should be able to push through, but let's see how price is going to do that. I think once you start breaking the previous the current 4 hour low, you'd continue moving down at that moment. Don't know if I want to get in an inventory because I already took a trade, so I want to have a correct setup. No off setups. Yeah, that's a wick fill at that moment on the 1 hour time frame, but if you, as you can see on the 30 minute, we already pretty much rejected the zone, and you know. So I guess my analysis on this one is if we start breaking these lows at 90, so let's say 90 flat, or 17, 90, 20. I think at that moment we're going to continue moving down if we break that. But I do want to see like a 5 minute level being created before I'm going to jump in. Hey guys, remember it's a Friday then, but you gotta, you know, take it easy. You don't want to waste your profits, right? I already made some profits in the London session, so I want to really see if I can leverage them. Probably use them for one more trade. If I go back to break even, it's okay. If I don't, then I make extra profits, right? Already good, well up for the week, so I'll leverage them today. Today, Fridays are my best days, so let's see what we can get, pretty much. Everyone who clicks it like early in the session, it will indicate YouTube for others to join. Yes sir, Pip Street, don't forget that. Yeah, Christopher, man's going ham today. He's this week, man's ready. You're gonna keep on joining in London as well, or? Yo Christopher, yeah man, you're gonna keep on joining in London for the rest of the time right now, right? You're not gonna back off anymore. You can unmute yourself, bro. I think. Oh wait, here. There you go. Now you can. Yeah, now you can.
Of course, yeah. I'm gonna be in London with you.
Yeah,
of course.
No, the vibe.
I was trying to unmute myself. I was like, what's that?
Yeah, I thought I'd already clicked on people going to mute themselves, but turns out not. Not like Christopher.
Yeah, London's been treating me real nice.
It's not gonna happen every day, trust me. London can be a pain in the ass as well, man, trust. What are you looking for now on gold or a GJ?
Looking at gold, I wanted to break 1794, but I'm not gonna take it. Took 60 pips on GJ, so I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, you're looking for buys? Okay, yeah, above the 30 minute. Yeah. I think if price breaks down 90, then we're gonna break this bullish structure, and we're gonna continue moving back down to retest the lows.
Well, you were gone. I was looking at it, and it broke out on the 5 minute. I could have took the impulse entry for like 30 pips, 33 pips, but I didn't do it.
The buys?
Yeah. A little quick scalp.
Where was that? Oh, this one here.
Yeah.
Oh,
that wick,
damn.
that top wick it made.
Oh shit, that's, yeah, that's 30 pips. Around that. Oh damn.
But I didn't take it. I don't want to get greedy.
Yeah. I'm gonna look for one more trade, see what I can do. Not that I have to make a trade or anything. Don't mind that. If the correct setup forms, jump in. I think his price is on the move today, so. But I'm getting a bit of the feelings that the price is rejecting this level, so. We have some high potential areas to go down to, like clean traffic, 2 clean candles here to mirror again. After that, mirror this move further down towards the bottom. Probably gonna hold it a little longer than. Big. Oh man. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at. Yeah, I am gonna look at GJ, but I'm not really looking to execute on GJ right now. I already executed this morning. I'm gonna give it an analysis though, see what we going on. But we already executed on it this morning. And as you know, I'm not the biggest fan of GJ anymore. The way it moves. The people, how about GJ? Look, yeah, I'm looking at it. 1 second. We haven't made a support yet, so this is not a confirmed support or anything. We are bouncing off from this level right here. Zone, this consolidation area. The current most recent support on the 4-hour we have is right here, and we just pretty much retested that. So if we start breaking the previous lows, we could fill the wick back down. Yeah, especially once we start closing with a 1-hour candle, we're retesting this previous 4-hour support level right here to the left. So I think further sells might come into play if we start creating a resistance and start respecting the previous highs. Hey, take a look at GJ at US30. Take a make a chart and send it in. Then I'll look at it.
Hey, hello, New York people.
So
Morning.
yeah, I think when you should have like a 30-minute 1-hour candle close with you. This one rejected, so I think one more 30-minute candle is gonna give you maybe a setup because it's 1-hour candle also closing with you. Yeah, I think you could get into some sells at that moment, but maybe wait for like a small 15 structure to break, or 5 minutes looking pretty clean on it. So the target is going to be here. Target sells, and then you're going to pretty much say below this zone, sells below and buys above. Because if you have a breakout, that's going to mean that structure just got structure just got broken. So at that moment you can buys.
Wood looks more like a sell than a buy,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Yeah, I said that too, same thing.
Hour.
If you look at the 30-minute, we pretty much faked out. So
Oh yeah, that's true. I think if we break the structure on like the hourly, then the 4-hour might just do a deeper pullback to retest the lows before it starts moving up again.
yeah, who knows? Maybe you're gonna see like a retest of like this level again, 70. Who knows?
Yeah, exactly.
That was
Because
same
the
thing.
daily also doesn't have a bottom wick, so it
Yeah,
is
that's-
at weekly support,
Yeah.
but that's still a little bit of a confluence.
Yeah, that's the reason why I was still looking for sells. And if you look left on the daily, you see this zone right here. So
Yeah,
we might be
exactly.
tapping into that and not having enough.
It's like a
volume to go.
consolidation, and now it's at resistance. in a way.
Yes. Yes.
Nice.
Uh,
Yeah, makes sense. I'm looking more for that than buys.
Do you use magic keys? Yes, sir. I can show you them right now. Here you go. Index is price chilling, waiting for foam. Yeah, it could be. But I think if we start breaking the lows, then you could look for maybe some selling opportunities. Stop loss wise, I don't know what lot I'm gonna use. Probably what I'm looking for is maybe gonna use half risk and see if I can leverage that position and close it like at 40-50 pips. Little swing down because let's say if you take sells from here, you already have a 60 pip range to fill. Probably with like a 20 pip stop, so I might do that. Look if I can really leverage it take first profits maybe at like 30 pips.
Yeah, just put we already made money in London, so just put your stop at break even and see where it can go. That's my
No,
plan
I'm
for-
leveraging the profits, and then once I get to like 10-15 pips, I'm gonna do stop loss at break even and see where it goes.
Yeah, exactly. Just put the stop at break even because we already made money in London, so it's like
Yeah,
why
this is
is it-
pretty good US30 opportunity right here. It depends on what the previous 4 hour looked like, but 30-minute base, if you break the low, you should continue moving down because you closed below the previous support level. You have a wick to fill, probably on the 1 hour. It looks pretty good. I don't know what time frame that is. Yeah, probably 1 hour. Where you're gonna fill this wick, this 30-minute. So, but where you see the wick. Oh my god, people, man, stop spamming. Time out.
Yeah, I already gave him one next gen trader.
Oh yeah, next time if it does it, just you know what to do.
Mhm.
Man, like Chris. Missy. Yeah, let's see what this goal is going to do. I think above here, you're going to be looking for buys up towards probably that 806, maybe 811, at least 1800 flat. For sells, yeah, you know the vibe. Are you in a trade? No. No, I'm not in a trade yet.
We have man like Ake in the YouTube chat. This is the guy from yesterday that slapped the 10 lot and closed his
Oh,
eyes.
really? It was that?
Yeah, it's him. And he's like,
I
he's
see a
like,
lot
"Lol."
of people laughing at a man like Mitch.
Yeah.
What happened? Okay, yeah, no, I already heard it.
Yeah.
Delicate
He's like, "Lol,
situation.
let's drop it, bro. I'll tell you." He's like, he's gonna tell me when he gets in. Okay, nice. But I
What's
don't
up?
think so, bro. I don't have the feeling today. Oh, the feeling's not here today, guys. So
He already blew a little bit of his account yesterday. Then probably if he dropped a 10 lot without a stop loss.
well, it worked out for him for plus 60 pips, but
And
I
then
mean, and then I don't know. But if you do that every day, there's gonna come a time where it doesn't work out enough for your account to go away.
make it 20 lots a day.
Yeah, I'm like, so today's 20 lots, right?
No, we're not gonna do that. You'll be in some time. They're like, where GGA? Where's your next support on GGA? Well, I think on GGA first gonna be retesting the lows. Maybe look on the time frames. If you have a 1 hour candle close with you, that needs to close stronger than this because this is weak. Like maybe below that zone right here, 153 flat. If you have it close below there, or at least this zone right here, 110, where we pretty much sold off from. We sold this candle. I think at that moment you could jump in, but it's all based on your own analysis. Nothing to blame on me if you make the decision. Not even gonna say it. Talk too much already today. How about this? Let's take a look.
How's the fresh cut?
Yeah,
Looks
pretty
sharp.
good, man. Thank you, man.
Very nice.
Very nice. Time to buy. Was above. Yeah, makes sense, man. But yeah, it broke this structure. Makes sense. Rejecting. Yeah, 100% makes sense. Maybe have targets at 200 first, and then try and continue moving up. When you selling gold, I don't know yet. If we break in these lows, don't know if I want to jump in immediately, but it makes sense if you break these lows that you're going to continue moving down, because then you're breaking the 1 hour lows right here. 4 hours flipping. But what I always say with the 4 hour flipping, that the 4 hour is not going to go straight away. It's going to do maybe a pullback up and a pullback down and a pullback up, and after that it's going to go. So man said a 20 lot and throw your computer out the window.
Yeah.
Then
Next level.
then you can't even take profit anymore. It's like you're running 100 pips and you're trying to take profit. Psych. The wrong number.
Read the comment in the gulag from Corleone. Man like Corleone. What's he saying?
Yo. Some people, man. Come on.
Oh, I don't like that one. I got 2 daughters. That one was. I ain't like that
Too
one.
much.
No,
Too
good.
much.
I had to jump through this computer right in for a second.
Yeah, no good.
Do you have any? Yeah. Guys, we need to keep it respectful, though. Come on.
True.
We like a little laugh, but keep it respectful. Morning, good morning. Yeah, this is gonna be first target for gold sells. First target sells. Oh, and then this is gonna be sell potential low and potential buys. Buys about yeah. And probably first target's going to be on this 15-minute time frame. For gold buys, it's going to be around like 60 pips. First target buys, pretty easy, pretty simple, because you know there's not a lot of traffic right now. So I think second target's going to be 1804. It's going to be like a 100 pip move right there. So let's see. There's a couple opportunities. We've got 8 minutes left for this candle to close. And we have another hour for New York Open. And let's see what that hour is going to do in front of that. We don't really have anything on news today as well. We did have retail sales this morning on GJ. And that, I think it was bad news, right? Less than expected. I was quoting for it. Finally free from university. Oh, well done, man, Simple Trader. Well done. Good job. Your iPad looks amazing. Look, thank you, man. It's fresh things, you know. Fresh. Look, Daily has no bottom wick. Fresh, yes. But let's see, if we start breaking the highs again, then we're gonna continue moving up. But this is sort of a resistance right here. Even though price moved through it, we see that we stopped and rejected on the 1 hour and 30 minute time frame. And as you can see, we did go back up a little with this 30 minute, but we're still below the zone. So the 1 hour resistance zone is about to, yeah, right here. It's getting respected. And we have, if this kind of closes, another resistance. So we have 2 resistances to pass for buys. And support wise, we only have 1 support, you know, to break down. So yeah, looks pretty good. I was thinking about putting a sell stop at 1790.2. No, lower. 1790.20. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that yet. Yeah, man. Whoa, Miss Sand. Please play team time music. Oh sure, man. Let me. Yeah, there's one going after that. So I'll play this one and then. Jaden Smith. That question is not gonna help you in any sort of way. So go to Instagram. This is going to be the full target for buys. I'm going to probably have a full target sells. I mean, buys. Come on. Full target sells. I'm gonna probably, if I take sells, I'm probably gonna take profit at the first 20-30 pips, and then I'm gonna leave it like. Then the second take profit is gonna be probably at this 30-minute zone right here, at like 82. Well, based on the 1 hour, it's gonna be around 83.50, and then I'm gonna leave like another part of the run all the way down to 70. Try if we can hit like a good home run for fun. Friday, like aiming 190 pips. Should be good. I think gold is. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. I mean, it's rejecting both sides right now. So 30 minutes going back up after faked out. So if you break up, you could feel the wick here on the 1 hour and continue moving towards the 99. 1800 could be a problem, like the 1800 flat level, because it's psychological. So, but let's see.
I think GJ's showing signs of sells as well.
Yeah, that's what I said. If you look on the 1 hour and 30 minute, we pretty much made a low, and if you start closing bearish here again against this previous support zone, and you start breaking the lows, you should continue moving down back towards 539.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at the 50 made a fresh resistance at 135.
Yeah, lower high.
Yeah, you got like a 20 pip stop on the 1 hour. On the 30-minute time frame, you pretty much got the same, but you see rejection. So I think once you start breaking the low, you could also even put it like above this little zone, because it's going to be above that 15-minute resistance zone right here. And you have like a 13 pip stop, and if you get maybe in on the low, you have a 20 pip stop at that moment, but your target is going to be like whatever, big 40 pips. So could be good. If you look at daily on the, yeah, I know what I said in the beginning already. But looks pretty good, man. Charts look pretty clear, in my opinion. Look, if you look on, I know. Relax. I know it. We have to close below this line that I have right here. So you have 2 minutes left, 3 minutes left. If you close below there, you're going to continue. Gold-wise, ranging right now, it's just closing in the middle of the range soon. That means that we do have a bearish 1 hour candle close. And if we start going below this zone, breaking the lows, I think we should continue moving down at that time. I'd rather prefer it when the 1 hour to close below this 91.2 zone, but I don't always get what you want. 15 doesn't have bottom wick, but 30 has, so it doesn't really matter. But look, why not, man? What are you doing, bro? Went home. Yeah, probably. We have 50% of the 4 hour left. I think it should be pretty good.
Yeah, if it comes below that, line you have, then it's basically grabbed liquidity.
Yes.
To go down.
Yes. I was thinking about putting a sell stop, but I don't want to go that hard, right?
Could maybe wait for just a 5-minute confirmation down there instead of a sell stop.
I mean, if you're already in the middle here, it doesn't really matter because you have so much range to play in.
True.
You don't really have to be like, oh, I missed my entry. There's enough range. Easy to get 10 pips. 100%. How's it going? Actually, really well, man. Really, really well, to be honest with you. Why not solve this question? Bro, that's going to give me too much of a headache, man. We're not going to do that.
Luke, I have a question.
Yes.
To say that there's no bottom wick on the daily, would that only be relevant if you thought we were going to go down and create a bottom wick? Otherwise, does it matter?
No, but we have a probability of filling this wick. And we haven't... What?
Like if you look at the daily, especially in the higher time frames, what's the percentage that a candle doesn't have a top or bottom wick? And if you answer that question, it's like a 90% chance that every candle has a top and bottom wick. So for me, when I see a high time frame candle like 4 hour or daily not have a bottom wick and it's going bullish, then for me that's a confluence to go and make a bottom wick.
I have a bottom wick on my software.
Oh,
really?
let's see. Yeah, sometimes it's different on the broker, like on on my day.
I have a 4-pip bottom wick.
Oh, that's not too big.
Right.
No, for daily candle, that's not big, especially for gold, so...
Then you have to take it with a grain of salt. Yeah, the sell I took on Monday on GJ in London session on the 4 hour, that was solely based on daily not having a bottom wick. I'm like, this has to make a bottom wick.
I mean, 1 hour made a little wick up top already. But 1 hour gonna close with this, so let's see. Oh. The rider's in 22. Oh, yeah, I don't know, man. I have no idea, fam. Asking me way too difficult questions right now. Yeah, look, situation on gold. Yeah, it's 50-50 right now. Yo, looking at 1 hour on gold, you can see Dracula. Bro. I think if this makes top wick and it starts breaking down, I'm gonna be into sells. Like breaking down below 90. Like flat 90. So pretty much like right here, flat 90, break at that. Gonna be looking to get in at that time. Maybe 1 5-minute with this, but let's see. And then I'm gonna be looking, I'm gonna have a TP right here on 70 and have a 20 pip stop. What about GJ? She's feeling left alone. Man's got that, man like Cody has that fast boat thing. That's a pretty good close. The only thing is that it closed above this zone and...
God, that's the yacht.
What?
That's the yacht he got
Yeah, the
behind
yacht.
him, man.
Man, this man has 6 bedrooms. I see.
Trader life. That's
Yeah,
the
the
she
trader-
gives
Yeah.
trader life, you know.
we got
Trader lifestyle, man.
we got many cameras on. I think. Oh, not just this. I thought it were more play tea time. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. Or it just played. What? I'll do it one more time.
Finad Rajput is putting in some math questions over here.
Yeah, man. I like this guy. It's going way too deep, man.
And try catch some pips rather than calculate some math.
Yeah, some bullshit. Yeah, if this comes back down and start breaking the lows, maybe have a 5-minute with us, and then stop above that 5. See if we can go further down. Buys, I don't know yet. I mean, we had a 30-minute closing week showing some rejection, but this kind of was not allowed to break 93.2 if we still want to push down, you know. So many people play that, especially on the phone. Where's that guy? I don't know, man. And so he was like this morning. And just dropped like 10,000 rupees. No, I'm not gonna read it louder. I would not sell here 1810 levels. Yeah, who knows, Sim? Who knows? Everyone has his own plan, right? I mean, 5 minute now is engulfing the previous 5 minute candle. But still not below this zone, so it's potential area below here, and it's gonna be good. And the reason why I'm looking already a little bit for sells is because we're tapping against this zone here to the left. So then, if you understand that, then you know that if we're gonna break bullish structure, then we're gonna go downtown, cruising to the alley. Oh. Yeah. Then it would make a lot of sense. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, right? We're only here leveraging some profits. And at the end of the day, manage risk. Pretty good. They're giving you guys. Oh. Friday, be careful. Yes, sir. Friday is the best day. Can't get any better days than Fridays. Oh, fuck the weekend though. Weekend needs to go. Like, remove the weekend. Gonna be good. So warm here, man. $15 on gold. I don't know what hammers are, bro. Oh, yeah. Probably this. No volume. 0. Yeah, let's see what happens. I mean, this 1 hour is still, 4 hour is about to flip. Like, this is at 91.2 is the flipping zone. Oh. And if that flips, we're gonna be rejecting. Baba sleeping. Oh boy. Careful. Oh, Hamza, that was close. Too fast. Too fast. Your goal's coming down. That was close. Okay. I need to be watching out with this one.
Look, that sell stop idea just below 1790 sounded really appealing, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know. I keep on thinking about it.
It needs to make sense to you.
It does. Yeah.
Doesn't make sense to you.
No, it does make sense to me. It does make sense to me.
Okay.
It does. Yeah.
Why does it make sense to you?
Come again?
Why does it make sense to you?
Because I feel that it's going to break that support.
Okay.
And I anticipate it to go down thereafter, and that's the only reason. And it's got all that range to fill there. There's so much space on your left.
Okay.
With the buys, yeah, and I feel that it's just going to take advantage of that and keep on going down. And that is really my very elementary explanation to it.
Does it
makes
structure-wise? Does it make sense to you?
Structure-wise is probably what I should have said. Structure-wise, it makes sense to me. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Now you know self-stop does have.
I feel that if it breaks that support, it's going to go down.
Okay,
That's how I.
But that's how you feel like. Or do you think it's going to? You know it's going to.
No, I don't know. I don't know. That's hard to say.
Don't
I
be
can't say
pressured.
that I know. I can't know. That would be slightly.
But-
That's verbal risk, man.
Have you seen it happen before?
I've seen it happen before with you. Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
Do you feel
if it-
confident to execute on it?
I already have it.
Oh, you already have.
Luke is going.
Okay.
Already have it. Yeah.
That's the question way right now. Okay.
Yeah, because if we break that support, it makes 100% sense to go down. The question is, how aggressively do you want to
Yeah.
execute on this trade? Do you want
That's the
to?
thing.
Yeah, self-stop is like a 10 out of 10 aggressive, waiting for like an hour to close. That's a safest out of 10. That's a 1 out of 10 on aggressiveness. And anywhere in between, like I'd rather, for me, I'm waiting for like a 5 minute to show me some signs.
No, but I'm really interested. You know, the thing is, the reason why I'm questioning you like that is that I know you. You know, the difference between us. And I just want to know exactly what you think of it. And
No, I choose to be questioned because I'm learning, right?
Yeah.
I choose to be questioned. Yeah.
No, it didn't break. Sort of respected. It's coming back up now. You're waiting. Waiting. No, I'm not, Vince. Hey man, check the trade from US30 from before. Yes, sir. Let's take a look, man. Oh yeah, man. That made a lot of sense. You did have this didn't break, so this shouldn't have been your entry right here, but you respected it still. But at the end of the day, it's going pretty well, man. I know it. I remember it. Very, very good, man. Made a lot of sense. Maybe this wick to fill right here. Are you looking to have a 25 stop? Yeah, 20 stop, 20 pip stop. Once we break. 15-minute candles are becoming weak. Yeah, that's the thing. Everything is becoming weak. Look at the last 15s.
Are you on the 10 out of 10 spectrum on this cells?
No.
No self-stop.
Yeah, it's high. 8 out of 10. 8 plus is good enough.
8 out of 10 is very good for me. Yeah.
Only 2 faults.
And I have it.
The only thing that I don't like is right now is that I don't have a 4-hour with me, and that we don't really close below support to get in. So that's the only two things that I don't
Oh,
like
so you did your checklist thing.
in my mind.
Nice. That's amazing.
Basically, you're calling it top daily candle. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, ma'am. I mean, sorry. I was gonna go sleep today. Yeah, maybe. I mean, we did have a pretty nice buying move on gold. Like I had my buy level above here, price closed above. At that moment, you could have bought easily, but wasn't really looking for it because I just took sells on PJ at that time. But it's all Gucci. Gold, you gotta move quick. Retrace, and yeah, let's see. But right now we're respecting the support and we're respecting the resistance, so we're ranging. So it could go either way. Potential buys, sells below. It doesn't matter where it goes. It just needs to go somewhere. Buying wise makes sense because we have the 4 hours closing strong bullish. Selling wise it makes sense because we're still in a downtrend. So let's see. I mean, what I want to see really happening, like these candles getting weaker, right? Candles getting weaker like this on the 4 hour, and especially if we have a 4 hour candle close like this, exactly like this, sells below are going to be insane.
Hamza, you're gonna have to change your YouTube name over there.
Yeah,
We know you by now.
yeah, it's too easy.
Yeah, we have a blacklist on the left-hand side of our monitors with all the names to look out for. Nah, just kidding. We don't actually have that, but we know by memory, just like Egg.
Warm, man.
Drake is calling out the Dracula pattern over here.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that is.
We're about to find out.
Yep. Oh, this is wait for gold to break. In the meantime, drink some coffee and talk about your. Yeah. Could look a little bit at G.
Did the Netherlands win the football match last
I've
night?
got no idea, man. To be honest with you.
I watched it for 10 minutes and then went to bed.
Yeah, they did.
Really?
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Congrats to them.
2-0.
Come on, guys. You're from Netherlands. You should know that.
Yeah, but the damn thing starts at 9 o'clock, ends at 11. I have pips to catch in the morning.
You go to sleep that early?
I try to go to sleep at 10, but with this heat, it's tricky.
Yeah, it's kind of unbearable, right?
Yeah.
Normally on like a busy week, I go to sleep about 10:30, 11. But now with this heat, it's like, man.
True. And the
12,
sunlight.
1 a.m.
Yeah, there's goddamn sunlight until 11, 12 at night here in the Netherlands. It's crazy.
Next
Yeah.
one is North Macedonia. Okay. Monday.
Yeah, I'm slowly waiting for my setup.
It's raining hard in London. Yeah, I heard a lot of people say that. 1 second, let me put this blower closer to me because it's so warm. I don't even want to know. How many trades do you took today? 1. So I'm looking for another one. Another one. DJ.
DJ Luke.
You know the vibe. Always play that.
Another
music
one.
thing. 1 second.
Right, guys. If we all full margin buy right now, we're gonna move the market.
Along with Ake, yeah. We need
You
Ake
think
on our
so?
side.
Yeah. What do you
If
guys
we-
think? Should we
if
do
we-
it?
If we
Yeah,
can
we
get
gotta-
Ake on it, throw a
We
20
gotta-
lot.
That would be a
20
little
lot.
bit unfair, man.
And we gotta throw computers out the window.
Fuck it, I'm in. I'm done.
I'm in. Let's do it.
I got you.
Oh dear.
Ake, where you at, Ake?
Ake, yeah, he's looking for buys today, so it makes sense.
Ake, slap a 50 lot on that, and I'm gonna slap a 5 lot on there.
Come on, guys.
Luke's gonna slap
Yo.
a 3 lot. And Chris is gonna slap a 5 lot. And then we're almost at 100 lot, so we need 900 more. Who's willing?
Oh, Mitch doing a 5 lot. Man, did you do the necklace for 11k sub? No, 10k. You need to get.
His neck still
You
hurts.
need to get Baba Boy for that plan. Yep.
Baba boy. I'm about to mute myself before I get the.
It's delicate right now on goals, just ranging. Bruv. Anyways, maybe. Bye, subscribe. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, let's. Yeah, probably Mark. Yeah, I'm about to give some people timeouts. Get one. Yeah, guys, take it easy, man. Come on. Stay disciplined. Focus on your own shit. Yeah, this looks good to continue moving down. Need to first break these lows and then break maybe this low and then I think I suggest this 153 flat. Break that down. 4 hours gonna flip at that moment, and it's gonna fill the wick right here. Already retested this level right here. We should be Gucci. I mean, if you already have trust in the 1 hour, you could have already executed on the 1 hour. It's already made a top wick. Breaks 30-minute low, and then the 1 hour low without any hesitation. You're about to fly, man. You have like a 46 pip range. Put it above the current high or above this little resistance zone here on the 30-minute time frame. You got a 14 pip stop. Risk reward is very great on that one. Second. Those are in. Well, it depends. You could say I want to have it inside the zone for buys and sells. But right now, price, there's no volume, so price not doing anything. We're printing sideways barcodes, so we just have to wait. Probably in around 40 minutes, we're gonna see a lot of volume coming in by NY Open, and maybe after that at NYSE Open.
Oh dear, if this 4 hour closes somewhat bearish, like creating a resistance, then NYSE will
This
do a
weak thing already, man. This weak.
Yeah, that wick already is
The
looking
wick,
good.
oh man, full margin sells. Don't even want to know.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh yeah, no, there's a guy in the chat. Right here. I think it's someone that changed his name. I'm not gonna say it. Yo, Professor Pippage, how are you, man? GJ, not gold. GJ wise, probably above the current high, or what I said. You'd put your stops right here, and it's breaking down right now, or your stops right here at 123. This is like really strict stops, and this is safer stops. Also, you could look at a 15-minute time frame. You could have your stops right here. Like if it breaks this bullish 15-minute high, it's not allowed to continue moving further up, but it's about to break. It still didn't fully break, so you should not be in yet. Broke by not even a full pip. What I will always do for breaks is just wait for a full pip break before you get in. It's just ranging. 5-minute close, bearish. Next one bullish again. It's just going up and down. Now, I don't want to give GJ a second trade. Already gave it one trade. Made like 10 pips. Those don't use 30. 95 pip trade. Day done. Thank you, Luke. Well, you executed on it, man. You put the analysis in. You know, it was a very correct trade. Very good idea. I don't know if I can go to it. This man, just beautiful trade. Which one is the best one? Yeah, I think. Yeah, man, very nice. This was just a perfect trade. You had this support right here. We were ranging after creating that low. The 30-minute time frame, if you look on the 4 hour, broke the 4 hour lows, broke this level right here. This man got in on this candle when it started breaking the lows. That was especially those 4-hour lows right there, and he expected this wick to fill, got in, and you know what he did. Went up 95 pips, targeting this area here to the left. If you look on the 4-hour, there's a wick to fill, what I said already. Beautiful trade. Well, 50-minute chart looks like a head and shoulder pattern. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything right now. It's just ranging. We're in this range. It's like a 40 pip range. Not doing a lot. Yeah. Thanks, man. No problem, man. Oh, stone must be. Yeah, pretty much. Not in here, man. Green magic key. Love it. Perfect, man. Perfect. Yeah, I think it's if you really want to see if like the actual magic keys are something for you, then I think it's a really good tryout to use those online magic key, on-screen magic key. Personally, I would still love like to get like if I didn't have it yet, like the real one, I would still get the real one though. But probably try it out first, and then that's only like, what is it, like 30 bucks, 20 bucks?
Yeah, $30.
Yeah, 30 bucks is nothing. From up and down, side to side. Get a couple of cards. Yeah, we had a monthly resistance on GU. Didn't even want to retest the highs in the weekend. Yeah, it's pretty much a daily support right now in GU. Daily support. A link to the on-screen magic keys. Yeah, go down in the comment section. There's a link to magic keys, and if you click on go to the website, right here, go in here. I don't know if I'm gonna dumbass right here. Click on this one. You see the on-screen version, then you can buy it at the back right here. Easy. What's the name of the money-making music? It's called Hear the Noise by John Daly and the 41 Players. A lot of people requesting the names of the songs. Insane. Yo, Chris, you looking for another trade as well, or just
no, sir? Yeah, I'm just watching.
How many trades did you take?
I took 2 today. I took 1 on gold and 1 on GJ.
Oh yeah, then I understand. I'm looking maybe to take 1 more if the correct opportunity forms. Probably take sells on gold.
Chris, both winners.
Yes, sir.
Bro, this man like Chris is a legend.
Yeah, it's every fucking single day.
Whoa. Relax.
No, I mean, he's a dedicated guy, man. A lot of respect for that.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, I like this one though. Okay, let's go. Haven't had this one yet. Good idea to take a trade top bottom of the range. Favor of trend like gold 1990, 91, keeping a tight stop loss since you know that if it. Yeah, Andrew, man, like Andrew. It depends. really need to see some support being formed at that zone to have like at least a little bit of a structured stop loss. I don't know, Hamza. I have no idea. Chris, where's the Instagram, man?
Soon come. I'm gonna make one soon.
Yeah. His girlfriend is like, no! No Instagram for you.
Facts.
Fact! For real!
Facts.
Oh shit! Man's on under the toe, man. Yep, locked up. Got no way out. Man's in the gulag. Okay. What time did you guys start streaming every day? We start streaming in the morning, 7:30 CET or 6:30. What's London time again? GMT. And we also start streaming like 11:30 GM. Fucking hell, what are the times again?
6:30 Eastern.
Yes.
Eastern time.
Yes. Eastern time.
EST.
Yes, sir. Ellie Nell, Chris, do you have a job or? Yeah. You only trade to have a job also. Yeah, he's I hired him as a moderator in the chat. He's making big bank. He's blowing it. Man just bought the penthouse.
You get $10 for every time out.
Yeah.
That means you gotta share those rupees with them, dude.
Rupees. Go.
The rupees.
Jeez.
$10 for every time out. Where do I sign up? How many people we got in the chat right now? Oh, that's nice for the day. For sure.
Oh. 5-minute close. Bearish again. This is just full. Look at it. 5. Flipping out.
Yeah,
The
don't
fun part
touch
is
this.
if we're gonna break out, we're gonna fly. And this. Oh, man. What is that? Love you from India. Perfect, man. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, this is just ooh, I'm going up, down, up, down, up, down. Hopefully at New York Open, in 28 minutes, we're gonna see something because the corner right now. Also, have a question to you guys. We got like 660 people in. Do you want me to keep on doing some New York session live streams? If so, say yes. If so, if no, say no. I'll be keeping on doing the London. No worries, people in the London. This London is our session. There's no different session than the London session. It's our session. But maybe we add a little New York in it. I do need to see like a lot of like vibes for the yeses. Like, you know what I mean. Also, guys, come on. Those like 660 people in, only 150 people watching. Only 150 likes. Those are rookie numbers. Especially if you want them New York session live streams. Because it's gonna take me a lot of time to do that every day.
Guys are new here, definitely subscribe so you can tune in.
Yes, sir. We have a lot of yeses. I see a couple of no's coming by, so
Oh dear, I guess not. I don't see any no's.
No, it's a joke. You have a lot of yeses. Okay. No. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Drop the like for a yes. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Love that vibe. Luke, I love you. I love you too, man. John Cena. Yes, bro. Oh man, Hamza trying to get me every time, but you ain't catching me lacking. I didn't even read the name. You're not gonna catch me lacking, bro. Okay. A lot of people wanna have it. Okay. 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 Probably in August I have a little less time. But overall.
Oh, Guala's spamming in the chat. He's asking, "Can I get a question, Luke?"
Oh yeah, Guala.
We're gonna be on
thing.
timeout.
I got Krista. What's up, Guala?
He's like, "How are you?"
Come on, man, I'll drop you a timeout, bro. No joke.
I'd have to try it. Test the waters, dip my foot in there. Like, let's see if me out here.
Never do jokes while trading. I think that's a very good idea. He's trying to get. So we have a lot of S's. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Let's do a challenge, yeah? Let's do a challenge. We have a lot of yeses, a lot of people saying yes. For next week, I think there's a pretty good challenge. We did it this week. We grew 1K this week, plus 1K already, more than 1.2K already in 1 week. If we hit, whoa, that was a voice crack. If we hit 12,500, that's a little much. That's a little too much, I think.
Above 12 to 12.5.
If we hit over 12,000 subscribers next week, we're gonna continue on with some New York session live streams. Right now we're on. If you go to YouTube,
As in permanently? Do the New York?
Yeah,
and
yeah,
NY?
for a longer period of time at least. Yeah.
The London and NY.
Yeah. Only what I said, Augustus. In August, I have a little less time, so I'll only be streaming like one New York, but overall, then I would probably do 2 or 3, 1, 2 or 3. But if we make it to 12, then it should be a thing. No, Hassan, I'm staying in my own session. Yeah, 100% play for highlights. Why not? Bro, I can only subscribe once. Well, you know you can twice.
and Tokyo session. That's
Are
a
you
little
mad?
too much.
A little too much. It's already more than 4 hours behind the chart, so I don't really want to have more than that at all.
Yeah.
We mastered pretty much London session now, so we know what to do, we know what to look out for, so New York is add on to that.
Yeah. We're getting pretty good at New York too.
Yeah.
When there's right confirmations.
Yes. New subscribers, share. Yes, sir. 12,000, and we're gonna continue on.
Hey, how do people highlight my name like that? I want to do that too.
You just type them with an app. I see a very young trader coming up. Very, very young one.
Ooh, Mitch.
Mitch.
Some stop loss, buddy.
We got a future millionaire sitting there. Sheesh. We got a chart coming in. Yeah, so you guys know it. 12K next week. It's not even that much because this week we already we're the last day of this week, right? And we're not even done yet. We're about to hit like 1.3K in 1 week. 1 week. So now you have pretty much 750 in 1 week, so you should easily be able to hit that. Easily.
Yeah, because we made some good calls this week, that's why.
Woo. Look, do you remember I said you would hit 12K in the next few weeks from the... Yes, Michelle, I know it. I remember it. Couldn't put a trigger on a GJ sell with no top wick. Is that the right play? Go to GJ, JPY. I think you could have just sold. I mean, if you sold below the level I was told you to sell at, you would be nearly at 10 pips. You already hit 10 pips. To be honest with you, you already hit 10 pips because I said below this 30-minute low, it tapped it here, didn't go. Next one tapped it. We're already 10 minutes in this 30-minute candle, so I think you could have just acted up on it. And if you acted up on it, that would have been already 10 pips right there. So, but we're looking at the wrong one, I think.
Yeah, because if you look at it, the hourly already has a top wick as well. And I think Wala mentioned this, that if the higher time frame has a top wick, then a lower time frame, no top wick.
It's gonna fly down. This is the easy trade, the easiest trade. This even made a new support for you to sell off. Like, it can't get any easier than that. Look, activate your windows. No. Fuck windows, man. They ain't getting my money. No, got no time for windows. One of the biggest reason why you got such. Oh, that's not true, Sugam. I don't know. You've been and not been here since the beginning. So we went the choo-choo. Or 12k subs. Yeah, maybe. Max wants to do it. Yes, it did. Well, give them a go. But this was a very good trade. If you took this trade, it pretty much got called out, to be honest with you. I said sells below that zone. Not gonna take myself because I didn't want to take 2 trades on GJ. But this is a very good setup. Like, very, very good. CVP, NZD. Send in the chart. Pretty much ranging right now. 4 hour. The wake up. Lows below is rejecting again. I think if you start breaking the lows again, you should continue moving back down. Going up right now, but looks like it's rejecting on the 4 hour. Look, it rejected right here, came back down, engulfed all the previous candles. 4 previous candles it engulfed. So if it rejects again and breaks its own low or breaks the previous lows, it should continue moving back down. Buying wise, you could maybe try and fill that 4 hour wick if you start closing above 1.99100. The gold, no. This is, for me, this is a no trade range. 90 till 94 is a no trade range. The higher time frame. Lower time frame. Well, pretty much if as a 4 hour is a bottom wick, or let's say you're gonna sell, right? The 4 hours is top wick.
GJ example.
Yeah, GJ example.
That had the perfect example for that. Bro, we got this guy. Sheesh.
Okay, yeah.
He's like reach lk.london directly
no
on
names,
WhatsApp.
no names, no names.
No names, but he just puts a phone number in there, like it's not even your number. Get out of here, man.
Well, pretty much what you see with this GJ right here, right? You see this 30-minute candle? Let me go first to the 4 hour. Okay, you see this 4 hour candle, right? 4 hour and we broke down below this support zone. Closed below it. We created a target, right? For sells. We came back up, retested this zone, right? That's pretty much right here. Right? Now, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame right here. Let's remove these drawings for a second. Same thing. Came up back to the zone. Started to close bearish right there. Right? So what does that mean? That we created a new resistance against the previous support level to continue down and retest this low. Now what you see on the on the 1 hour time frame, that we have a wick and we have a wick and we have a wick, and what's happening with those wicks? What's happening with the wicks? Any answers? We're respecting.
Next one is
They're
lower.
making lower lows
Yeah, we're breaking lower lows and we're
and
respecting
lower highs.
the top wicks, right? Now, if we go to the 30-minute time frame, just for a second, go to the 30-minute time frame. We exactly stopped against this level, barely top wick, so that meant that there was not a lot more momentum left for buys. This candle did all the buying momentum right here. We had one candle coming back down, creating a small support after that did not work out. We had one more candle rejecting, and that was the top wick of the previous 1 hour candle, right? Where the candle closed below this support zone. Then after that, we had this 30-minute wick up right here, right? So we have a couple wicks already. We have a 4 hour wick, we have a 1 hour wick, we have a 30-minute wick on a previous candle. So what was the probability for price to continue moving further down after breaking these wicks, even though this price didn't have a top wick? It already had one. It made one already. So the 1 hour time frame. So you shouldn't really have to worry about that 30-minute anymore. Right? So I hope it makes sense, because that's, and also if you go to the 15-minute candle time frame, you see things happening right here as well. You see things happening right here. You see this candle close without a top wick, right? So it made sense for this candle to not go back up anymore, because this candle did not create any range for this candle to move up. So there was only one way where it was able to go, and that was down, breaking these lows. There were a lot of things pointing out sells right there, like a lot of things. That was a very, very, very good setup. And this is just ranging. Get that music back on. Yeah, it was a match. It was a very, very good trade. It made so much sense. Like, everything pointed out the sells, even though the 30-minute didn't have a top wick, because the reason why it didn't have a top wick is the previous 15 closed without a top wick, so there was no range for that candle to go back up anymore. You still sell? No, you're too late. Well, maybe based on this 1 hour candle low right here, you'd sell, but it's not really moving right now. It's sort of respecting something, I think. There was a week on MetaTrader 5 though. Well, that's the thing. You gotta, you know, look at one provider, because if you're gonna be looking at two different providers constantly, it's gonna make you very, very confused. And if there was a wick, it would be very small probably. Just waiting for it. Yeah, me too. Thanks for all this explanation, Luke. It's really helpful. Perfect, Leslie. No problem. No, I will continue. For the people that question, I continue on doing London. Like, London is my session. It's in the name. Luke trades London. So what I'm going to do, trade London session. That's my main session. Doesn't matter. Does not have anything to do with anyone else. Yeah, if this 4-hour close this week, sells below that previous low, we're gonna be mad. 1 hour and 10 minutes for the candle to close. So go down. Damn.
Barcodes.
What are you gonna scan on that one?
Satisfier.
Thank you, kind sir Luke, for the explanation. It's really helpful, thank you, sir. I don't know what that is, Moses. No idea what you're talking about. To be honest with you. August with facts. Really being able to trade New York session. What do you suggest? Yeah, London, if you're really focused on it, go ahead and do that, man. Go ahead and do that. I traded mid-class. I was following live streams mid-class, didn't do anything else. 3 years ago, I was bang on trading. Well, 3 years ago, 2 years ago. Nearly. In class, sitting with my laptop. Punching out gold trades.
What a barcode, man.
Just
so boring. I'm like literally almost about to call it
Pass
quits
out.
today. Yeah, man. Go to the pool or something.
I wouldn't go too, man. Far away from.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Is that pool open every day or something?
The one I was at?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. But that's a little part for you, bro. It closes at 5. So, or 6, sorry. So 6 is open. The outside pool is open till 6, and then there's like disco swimming till
Disco
like
swimming for the kids.
9:30. Nah, bro.
No for that.
No kids. It's 18 plus, bro.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
There's some crazy shit there
It's
then.
pretty fun.
Does your girlfriend allow you to?
Man, my girlfriend ain't got nothing to say. I'm the man. I'm the man in the house.
Oh, that's what they all say.
Yeah, that's what I say. Though.
That's what I'll say when she's not in front, right?
Yeah.
I'm not all. I buy when you guys sell, and I sell when you guys buy.
Yeah. And then she's
Well, let's
like,
call her. Should I put her on speakerphone?
yeah, sure. Am I? Yeah.
She speaks Dutch, so if you don't speak Dutch, then you're out of luck.
I'll translate it.
All right, let's do it.
Let's call it. He's calling for real. Okay.
Let's see,
Look,
let's see if it's
Christopher
true.
like, let's get it.
She's at work, by the way, so she doesn't pick up.
They call again. You're the boss, right?
Yeah, she'll call back. Watch. Yeah, work till 5:30 today.
You're sitting in that pool thing, giving a shit.
Bro, I don't mind. My dad always used to tell me, you could watch, but you can't touch.
It's true though.
You know what I mean?
It's true. Is that the same for like all the other side chicks, or?
Let's see. Give me a sec. I'm gonna go look at it right now.
It's an AU. Yeah, that's pretty. That's good though. As a pippage. Look what put this man into trouble. Yeah. I'm just joking, by the way. A lot of people take things way too serious, man. Come on. Come on.
What they talking about my girl thing?
No. Different thing.
Okay. No, I joke. I joke about it.
You're laughing
joke about everything.
You're talking about my girl. We're fine.
I laugh about everything. Like even if she would have probably been like, "No, fuck you," I would have laughed about it with you guys, because then I'm gonna get clowned for like weeks.
We'll focus on gold.
But voila, she's not calling back.
She's at work, bro.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Sure.
Show you.
Maybe she's with someone else.
That's fine too. She could be very flexible.
Man.
If I smell any different scent on her, she's getting cut. The eyes, they don't never lie, Chico. The eyes never lie.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean?
Please tell about NZDUSD. It's a trash bar. Let's take a look. Okay. We're at the monthly support. Breaking down still though. We might feel that 4-hour wick down, but it's weak candle, the previous candle, so we might already have filled enough. Then you're moving back up after. Selling right now doesn't make sense because you have a 1-hour support right here. Done for this week. Yeah, pretty good, man. Makes sense. Take your profits. Good. Trading week for me. I'm done for this week. Oh shit. Some people, man, you guys, some of you are... Can't be like that. Can't be like that. That's too much. Gold going up, yeah, it's going up slowly. Let's see. Back in there again. Do you have daily goals, Luke? Hey, yo. Keep it respectful, guys. Come on. Hey, yo, guys, come on.
Somebody forgot to unmute.
No, but hey, for real. Keep it respectful. That's not respectful. Come on.
What happened?
Someone burp. We don't do that here, man. Come on.
We're getting told off by the teacher.
I have a small issue. In Lynn's session, you were favorite foods from Hunt, but you didn't mention bitterballen. Blue eyes, yeah, those are pretty good too, man. Be honest with you, but crust souffle is better, man. You know the vibe, because it's just better sometimes.
The real cheesehead.
Yeah, man. I was gonna say it myself. I was gonna say it myself.
Netherlands are known for their cheese, but they do have some good cheese though.
Well, I'm more ginger, but
what?
Same.
I was about to drink, but I was just about to take.
Self-spa is not bad, but you know it. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, gold is coming up, but I'm not a fan. I'm more fan in looking cells. Well, literally, I'm not a fan, but you know what I mean. Let's see what we can do on this goldy thing. Like on one side, yeah, we could continue moving up for sure. Like once we start breaking the highs, but the problem right now is that we don't have any support created at the top of the range. And if you start counting, if you want to have this impulsive entry above 95, you're gonna have a 30 pip stop loss below the 5-minute candle. Now this one is making a new stop loss for you. It's gonna be half of this stop loss maybe, but you know, it could do a lot of things. This is here right here in New York Open, so let's see. We're still below the 30-minute support. We closed below the 1-hour support, so keep that in mind. We're below the 1-hour support. We're below the 30-minute support. So a lot can happen right now. Hey, look, is he is dirty dumping? Probably. Thanks for keeping look for you on the problem, man. That's what we're here for, right? For next level stream. Keep everything respectful, keep everything clean. No, we need to be the next generation.
Yeah, also Master P, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
I really love man when you show also your MT5.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, that shows a lot of transparency, man, and people see that.
Yeah, I think it's pretty unique because you don't see it
Yeah.
often. Like
Yeah.
in this industry,
Yeah,
it's like,
yeah.
a taboo for somebody to show their MetaTrader. Like even before when I was first learning, I would never see anybody show the MetaTrader.
Yeah.
I'm like, so why not? What's the big deal?
Yeah, if you're real, show it. I mean,
yeah.
I think for me, it's not right now. I'm on a different laptop, and I don't want my account number to get leaked.
Yeah, true. That was my only concern. Is like, what
I
about
have
the
I
account
have
number?
I have a lot of money on that account, and we better not be touching that thing.
Yeah. I
Oh, but yeah, for real, man. I like no jokes.
No, yeah, but I just wanted to say because I saw Master P doing it yesterday, and I really liked it. You know, like transparency.
I mean, I want to do the same, but probably need to make like a little.
Yeah, maybe do a smaller account or something else.
No. That doesn't matter. It does not matter how big the account is, but maybe make like a thing where people can't be able to see it, right?
Yeah, hide your account number or something.
Yeah, because
in a
I spoke
certain
with
way.
Raja. I don't want to talk about it much on the stream because it might give people certain ideas. But I spoke with Raja, and he said like, yeah, no, it should be good. Like, what are they gonna do with your account number?
The thing is, I had the same chat, and that's the reason why he first didn't show it as well. And the thing is, he has his own brokerage, so no one can get into.
Yeah, exactly.
And
I know
there's a lot of stories and a lot of, stories where people's account numbers just got leaked and bad things happen.
And they got hacked.
Why do you think everyone is shown on Instagram and thing without any account numbers? That's the thing. So I don't want. No one is allowed to get my account number. No one. So that's why I'm really, really, really careful on that. And you see my MetaTrader at the end of the day, anyways. At the end of the session, you see a screenshot, anyways. So it doesn't even fucking matter. Like you see how many trades I've taken there. You see what my entries are. You see what my profit was. So there's no difference.
It's a fun vibe showing the account number. I mean, showing the.
It's fun showing your account number.
It's a fun vibe. No. It's just cool, like showing the trade on the terminal live. But yeah, it's no different than just showing it on Instagram as well. It's just my thought is like, what are they gonna do with the account number? Like, it's more harmful if they have my email address because that's like 50% of the way to get it.
People can do stuff with it, so.
Yeah, they can real quick.
Yep.
Real fast, especially if you have like specialized hackers trying to catch those big accounts.
So yeah, be careful. Social engineering.
Yeah, if you look at like those big big people with like
Mm-hmm.
100,000s, they always block that.
Yeah, the thing is, we got a thing here. Yes, Riku does it, but the thing is, he does it. He has his own brokerage, so no one can all of a sudden take money off his account, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you can
so-
block
I mean, with
any
the-
withdrawal.
Yeah, he can't just cancel that straight away. We don't. See
No, but
what-
like it's not about the withdrawal, because even with
or whatever. I
like my
don't-
broker,
yeah.
my broker can only withdraw to a bank with my name. So what's the
Yeah,
hack?
true.
The
Or
worst they can do is blow up the account.
yeah,
which
maybe
is still
that,
pretty
but that's
bad.
still what I don't want. You know.
Yeah, that's still pretty bad.
So I'm not gonna take any chances, to be honest with you.
Mhm.
Like there's risk and there's risk. And for me, that's
And
risk.
that's risk.
Yeah, but
The most
that's true, right?
you get from me on my Instagram is that I show the pips and I take it over to the live, and that's it.
And the thing is, why is it not enough that I show already my normal MetaTrader on my phone? Like that's already enough. That's my MetaTrader right there. Only it's on the phone.
Mm-hmm.
No?
Yeah.
But everyone's subjective. I mean, if you have a $50,000 account and you want to show your number and you get hacked the next day, yeah, it's your own fault.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Then you can sue the brokerage for double.
No, that's not their problem.
No.
They're gonna be like, "Wow, how did it happen?" Yeah, I
You-
was on
you
live
spilled
flashing
your
my.
own beans. Yeah.
I was on
Yeah.
live flashing my login. You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
You spilled
No,
your own
they-
beans.
They don't need to know that you are live.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
but
but there is gonna
There's-
be questions, man. Well, what I'm gonna say, yeah, I don't know. Like, doesn't make sense.
I just got hacked.
But it
Money's
doesn't
gone.
matter. Let's.
It's whatever.
skip
Yeah,
this
yeah, yeah.
entire
Just
thing.
let's not give the gulag any ideas.
It is look Dominion markets created by Riku. Yes, sir. And if you're not using Dominion markets yet, you're missing out.
Yeah, you
You are
can do so
missing
much
out,
with your
so-
commissions.
Go down here. Link is in the bio. Go to dominionmarkets.com. You're gonna the opportunities with your commission. You can have a free course with a mentorship. You can buy magic keys with the commission you're paying, so you don't have to even pay it out of your own pocket. Literally, the trading, all the trades are gonna pay for your magic keys and stuff. So, I think you're missing out if you're not doing it yet. Yeah, it's delicate. If it breaks the low, you should continue moving down. But this 4 hour really rejected right here. But it's rejecting the resistance as well. So I think if it breaks the previous lows, you should continue moving down. Maybe wait for a close below on EJ. Back to gold again. Why?
It's the next 4-hour candle on gold that's gonna do the job.
Yep. I wouldn't tell you. You shouldn't have been taken out yet if you're in these cells from the 30-minute support right here. Bro, you should still be in trade.
Someone's calling me.
Ooh.
Ja? Wat maken?
Can't hear it, man.
Wacht, hè, ik hoor je niet. Wacht. Ik ga je even luider zetten.
Oh, you have a Belgian accent, man. This man.
Wat gaan eten? Wat zit gaan eten?
This guy has a Belgian accent. For real. Technically.
Hey. Wie is de man thuis? Jij of ik? Ah, kakje. Nu even serieus. Je krijgt nog één kans.
Oh shit.
Wie is de man thuis? Oké, ciao.
He's like, this man is like, he's like, what are they gonna eat tonight? And she's answering, and he's like, who's the man at home? And then she's like, I am. So, who is it now? We
She's
don't
calling
know.
back. She's calling back.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Ja.
Yes.
Ik ga weer afleggen. Ik ga je niet meer oppakken deze keer.
He says he's gonna hang up. He calls again.
Is de man thuis?
Who's the man at home?
Ja, nu zit je blij, hè?
Now you're acting happy, huh?
What's the language?
Dutch.
It's kind of French and German together.
Oui. Oh shit. Okay, we're coming back down on gold again. This isn't just ranging. I hope it breaks. If it breaks, we're gonna continue. 5-minute candle close again. And it engulfed all these candles again. Like, this is just trash right now.
Oh, I was on mute this whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying if it's gonna break this in this hourly because it's
Yeah.
NY open. But I wouldn't do a sell stop because it's rejected enough times for me to invalidate a sell stop.
But it never broke the 4-hour current low.
True. That too. That's true.
And especially if this candle closes in 49 minutes. No, wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's delicate right now. It's like literally.
Ja, kom, we gaan naar Amsterdam. We gaan een kameraad bezoeken van mij. Amsterdam.
Oh, I'll join you in Amsterdam, Guala. He's still on the call.
Ja, dan gaan we naar Rotterdam en dan gaan we dan naar Amsterdam. Gaan we een kameraad bezoeken.
What?
Huh? Nee, een andere kameraad. Je kent hem niet. Nog niet.
Nee.
Volg jaar.
Just mute it for a second. We're gonna focus on this gold thing.
Full gas. He's like. Yeah, Belgium have a weird accent because they speak like French, Dutch, and German, so their accent is all mixed up.
I don't know, man. No idea. I'm not from the Netherlands, so. Going downtown.
Oh damn, my shield 92 is like 20 kilometers away from Amsterdam. I'm 20 kilometers away from Amsterdam. Maybe we're in the same city.
Alright, I'm back. Hey, look, I might come to Amsterdam tomorrow.
I don't live in Amsterdam, man.
I'm close to Amsterdam.
I live in Amsterdam in yes.
Okay.
Close to New York.
Yeah, I live in Manhattan, so I'll have to fly over to California. What is Gold doing? Gold's on the.
This is. I was like, yes, we're gonna go down, hit my self stop, and you fly, but didn't do anything. It didn't hit it. Are you Scandinavian? No. Yeah, I don't know how to speak Dutch.
Yeah, Dutch was my worst grade in high school. It was like a 6.
Yeah, I know how to say hello and stuff.
You can speak Dutch.
Okay.
No? Okay.
Can't either.
You speak Belgium.
It's a delicate situation.
Yo, Mitch.
Guelle staat op het punt om het.
This man is
get the fuck out of here!
Oh, whoa. We gotta keep it respectful. This session has been a little disrespectful, but
this man, Mitch.
It's advice right there.
It's Friday vibes.
Oh my goodness. Mitch.
Oh man, it's so hot in here, man. Getting hot in here.
Kevin S is like, this in a delicate situatie pick. It sounds funny in Dutch.
That. Yeah, if we didn't shoot. No. Why do I need to shoot?
Well, it's
Glomp,
that's
glomp
traditional.
effect, glomp.
Yeah, glomp.
Man, this is Friday.
Oh, I'm crying over here, bro.
Those are the real deal. No Louis Vuitton.
Louis
There's your
Louis
three letters,
Glomp.
fine in French word. Huh? Man, this gold, what is it doing? Up, down, left side, right side, side to side. I need an airco, man. Fly like a rear airco. Can't survive in this weather. Imagine being AJ, this guy would be. Said it to you. To walk 5 meters there in Saudi Arabia, and he's already looks like he went into a pool. Oh shit. In downtown LA. Oh. It's like 15-minute candle close right there. And down.
Oh
Yeah.
dear. It's gonna be a learning opportunity. If sell stops would be a good idea here.
Yep. Fire pretty low, so break like structure and in.
You've got one? Oh, okay. Nice.
It didn't get activated yet.
So
Like I got it so low that that price really needs to break the entire structure and go like.
Yeah, I can't do any liquidity grabs.
No. Huh.
So what's Wella be doing in Amsterdam this weekend?
You know what he's gonna be doing.
He's gonna
Oh,
Read,
no.
the
read,
investing.
read something.
Yeah, he's gonna be doing the
I
investing
don't
thing
do
we
that,
spoke
bro.
about earlier, right?
I don't do
I'm
that.
still
That's
not in.
nasty.
Still not
Yeah.
in.
But let's
Yeah,
let's watch
that
this go.
self-respect is
That's
gone. I'm still not in. No.
Yeah, if you do that, it's nasty. And then you have zero self-respect for your
Yeah,
own.
man, 100%. That's why I say to do that.
My cousins go all the time.
Man, nasty.
Yeah, they're gross.
Can't be like
They
that.
need to learn how to do it themselves.
Yeah. I'm in lower lot
Nice.
size. 6 pips up, 7 pips up, 8 pips up.
1790 flat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very good price.
Or we already hit 10 pips.
Yes, sir.
Weights are checking right now. It's not fun. Don't know if I win. Have a stop loss. Already hit 10 pips, so close out yet. Still holding. If I go into draw now, I'm gonna 75% probably.
Yeah, it's really good. If there's any time it's gonna work, it's right now, but not
Yes.
New York Open.
Right now, close. Doesn't want to close. What's this, man? My magic keys are not working right now. Like,
You got everything up and running well with the magic keys?
it just my close buttons.
Is it the same close button from last time? Might be an issue.
Yeah, it just
Mm,
doesn't want to.
You might want to contact their support. I had that once as well.
Working. I'm still in, but looks like a lot of things that can happen right now. Like I see what I could see right now is just back up, like 5 pips, 6 pips profit right. I wouldn't even be surprised the way it's moved. Next 5 minutes back, very hard. It should start moving, like right now. Doesn't? Get out. There we go. They're nearly touch again. Running around 6 pips right now. 7 pips, 8 pips, 9 pips. Go. 10 pips. I'm gonna close. Yeah, there we go. 10 pips closed. 75%. Putting stop loss at break even.
Oh, damn.
Stop loss at 90.
Nice push, man.
Like everything is not working right now.
Well, that's for the best then. Positions
Yeah.
running further.
I got 40 pips already. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but this thing is dropping.
Yeah, nice.
50 pips. if you took the same trade, you know what to do. I don't know what's going on. We're about to hit my TP. No, move my TP. I want to go lower. Right here. What did I make on that? I made bank on that.
That's sick.
That was the fastest 50 pips I've ever seen in my entire life.
Yeah, that's how gold moves in
Let's go.
New York.
Yep. I got stop loss at break even already. Like, my magic key is not working, but it saved me.
Yeah, true.
Well, guys, you know what to do. We had a very good week. If you took the same trades as us, you could have just grabbed quick 60 pips. I said I had a sell stop right there, put it up on the screen, called out live. So we're gonna put 50 pips up on the screen. Yeah, it was a very easy trade. Said it before in the beginning already, like 20 times. I have a sell stop there. Called it out when I got in. So you know the vibe. You know it, man. Come on.
Perfect trade, Duke.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
You took the same, right? You took it too, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Come on, man. I'm proud of you.
Whilst you're schooling me, I took it. You know?
Yeah.
and I left it. So yeah, brilliant. Good job. Yeah.
You never said when you enter a trade, you need to open your ears, man. You need to open your ears. Start listening. But fully
Since the
called
beginning,
out.
we're looking at
Running
sells.
50 pips already, man. I'm gonna be looking to close at where I'm gonna be closing my position. 72. I'm probably gonna be targeting maybe like 100 pips. Plus 100 pips. I'd probably be targeting 87. Leverage this.
And if that move up is like the breather after all the drops from yesterday and the day before, this can easily go back to like 1770.
That's what I had. Like, this was the perfect opportunity to sell off from and get any better than that. Like, we saw the volume coming in. Had a little bit of a we don't have this. You have to understand that we don't have this in London session. So it's we are new to this, and you know, some of the movements are sometimes a little bit faster than we usually expect them to be. So very good after all. Anyways, target is around 120 pips. Yeah, 8.7 flat. Around that 120 pips is the target. Let's see if we can hit that. I have a runner left. I actually, small position, but got good returns out of it.
Let's see here.
My stop loss is at Playful Highlights, $10 donation. Man, that's very nice of you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. The only thing I'm asking, if you took the same trade and you catch some pips, because this was the easiest trade ever, like for real. You catch some pips, I just ask you to subscribe. We're trying to hit that 12k. Yeah, that's it. And to like, got 800 people in, only 320 likes. Come on, those are rookie numbers.
Those likes up.
Those are rookie numbers. Didn't enter, man. I missed it, but learned a lot how gold moved. Yeah, perfect. That's the most important thing, to be honest with you. You can catch it next time you learn how it moves. So, man, like Cody is sitting there like,
Intense.
Intense, like, bruv. Awesome trade, Luke. Thank you. Maybe in a stream with Raja when he's back. No, I'm gonna be doing my own stream instead. We just hit 70 pips profit, 72 pips, 73 pips.
All those orders they grabbed up there in that consolidation are now coming in.
Like I was seeing, like this without
Yeah,
any
for
need
real.
breaking out of consolidation. Man. Like I want to have. What it is. Let it go, because it's pretty much where is my 80 pips, running 80 pips in profit, bro. This thing is on the move. Just, I don't know, man. Dropping
Buyers are
80,
shitting
80,
their
100
pants.
pips nearly. We're about to hit 100 pips. Let me get them air horns ready. YouTube. Horn sound. 90 pips. 90 pips. 90 pips. Sheesh. 100 pips. 100 pips got hit. 100 pips got hit.
In 10 minutes.
100 pip trade.
There you go.
That's beauty of gold.
That's the beauty. I took my profits at 100 pips. We're gonna change this to 100 pips. I'm allowed to.
Yeah,
Run her
100%.
down. I was gonna actually close here, but I was like, I'm good enough. Enough profits. I made a lot today.
Congrats, guys.
Thank you, man. Oh shit, this thing is dropping.
Buyers are shitting their pants.
Got to 75.
Oh shit. Yeah, I was like, I'm good enough with 100 pips. I don't want to be greedier anyway. I'm Friday, so it's all good. Good gold sell.
Friday then.
100 pips. Hold out live with a sell stop. No news, no nothing. Yeah, there you go. Already hit 120 pips. I'm already out. I took my profits. Good. A 100 pip move in such a short amount of time. Like, that's insane. Like wow. Wow. Like, I think, you know the reason why I think it went so fast? Because I just got my fresh gut.
Yeah.
No, it's just...
Look at how much liquidity you grabbed in that consolidation. That's why.
That's why I kept my self stop. I was like, this thing just breaks, man. This 4-hour load is gonna drop. But I need to check out my magic keys because they're not working.
Yeah, true.
That was a beautiful
this is a
trade.
random. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you.
That was beautiful.
You took it too?
Nah, but I'm happy for you guys.
Oh yeah, thank you, man.
I'm celebrating like I took it.
100 pip trade, not even 10 pip. Like, it's easier to catch that amount of pips on gold than on GJ. Even though, I gotta say, GJ moved well today. Gotta say it.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'll take that. I'll take the 60 pips.
Yep.
I think we've had to be very patient with this one today. That was my first trade of the day, and
Yeah,
I'm
it's very
thinking
good,
a lot.
man. I'm proud of you. Like, honestly, I'm proud of you, man.
I've been on the stream since 8:30.
Yeah.
7th hour
That's
running on the stream. Today I'm covering up for lost time, lost stream time.
A lot of people catch them. Very, very good.
Yeah.
Catching a lot of wins. Very nice. This was, by the way, a random level where I put it at, so don't put that too much. Well, it's pretty much above this 1 hour zone, but it could drop in further, you know. You took the profit. At least I took my profits. I closed 75%. No, 33. Like, I left a 33% runner running. I closed 66% when I was at 10, 11 pips, and then left the rest run, and that just started flying. Flying. Absolutely flying. But yeah.
The buyers shit their pants.
On
this
one side, I wanted to leave it run, but I didn't feel that comfortable the way it was moving around my entry and at that 10 pip. So I was like, yeah, At first, my target was to like let it go like 30 pips and then close. Next time, that would be good. Hey man, I really appreciate you doing the streams. I've been learning a lot. Have a great weekend. I like how you keep it respectful. Yeah, thank you, man. That's a like, we don't talk about other people. Yeah, today was a bit of a funny stream. Wasn't that, you know, serious, but we had a 100 pip trade, so we can't say shit at the end of the day. At least I can't. So but you know, try and keep it respectful. We don't talk about other people. We don't talk about other people's plans. We, you know, watch our own plans, talk about our own plans. You know, overall, this as I said, this one was a little bit of a laugh here and there. But normally, as you know, you guys know, most of you London session guys know, we're serious guys. We're here to succeed. We're here to take you guys with us on the way to success. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in every day, and we're gonna keep on streaming today. No, I'm not gonna end the stream, but you know what I mean. Just want to thank you guys for being here. So what made you not take it, Master B?
Me? I just don't want to give back profits. That's all.
Okay.
I was happy with my week. Like, if I'm gonna do it, then I'm gonna do it the proper size. So it was like I wanted to wait for a 5 minute to close below with volume, and then like a weak bullish 5 minute, and then the break of that one would have gotten me in.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, if it was like if it was earlier in the week, I would have had a sell stop as well. But I'm like, let's play it more conservatively.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, I was like, I had those profits from
London.
From GJ. I didn't really care about them, so I was like, yeah, let's try and double them. I doubled them.
Nice.
So, we gotta get your arrow cut often. Yeah, man, look at this one. Bro.
Yeah.
It's sick.
Whoa.
Yeah, bro, you look at that, man. That's fresh. Yeah, man. Karari is my my barber. He's from Iraq. This man, lots of respect to him. Lots of respect to him. Got a lot of messages. Thank you so much for doing this. Learned a lot this week. Yeah, perfect, man. Thank you for tuning in. You guys totally depend on Forex, yeah, pretty much. Very respectful, very informative and professional, man. That hit that, and now, but for me, next time I'm gonna be a little bit more comfortable because I know the way price is now gonna move in New York session breakouts. Like, I haven't traded like a breakout like that in New York, like with such momentum coming in. So for me, it was a lesson as well, like a lesson we've been you know, ranging the entire morning, and that breakout, there was so much volume coming in. Next time I know that I need to be ready for like high fluctuations in seconds. It can go 10 pips up and down. So yeah, I think it was pretty good.
Yeah, next week let's focus on leaving our positions running. Like,
yep.
Especially on these kind of aggro days, or when we know that there's going to be a big move, just only maybe secure 50% at 10 pips. Or even not even secure 10, just secure 20.
I have this week I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades and 1 loss.
Yeah, those are, yeah.
Oh,
not gonna mention.
What?
That's brilliant, bro.
Oh yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah.
And the loss was even managed 50%. So
this has been one of the best trades I've taken, considering I had a stop loss and a take profit, everything set up, sell stop, and it just worked out.
That's insane. Yeah, man. Damn, I'm gonna make a quick one for Instagram every time. Good morning, guys. Welcome to them New York live stream again. Around 800 people in. Called out a 100 trade on gold. Check it out, guys. Link in bio. Got one more mic muted. There we go. After that gold win, yeah, that's the most important. Just call it a day. Don't be greedy. What I said in the beginning, I made some profits on that. Well, GJ trade. It's fine. Find the letters. So yeah, I was like, yeah, let's risk these profits, and if we lose, we lose. I will still be in positive. If we win, right? Yeah, pretty good. Target was alright. Made a lot of sense. Yeah, overall, nice trade.
Yeah, very beautiful. Now it moved too much for me to do anything. Really.
Yeah. Maybe if pull back up towards 83, so distance created, and then pre-test of the low to continue moving further down.
Nah, I think now I'm done with the week at this point. It's was
you got good profits, man.
Yeah, definitely. But I left a lot on the table by not leaving, good positions running. But that's next thing to work.
You know what it is? The things that you're leaving on the table, you're gonna learn from them next time. So let that go. Let that go in the mind. The most important thing is that you ended this profits, man.
Yeah, like 5% profit.
Like you can say what if what, or I took that.
Like I'm happy because maybe way back I would have ended the week with a loss, but like this week I have consistency and have taken the right trades, and next issue to work towards is just maximizing those things. There's always going to be issues, but it's as long as the issues are progressing in the right way, then I'm happy, right?
Expected in time to directly correct it. But still, very nice trade. Even the not losses, but yeah, you just yes, exactly. That was a fast move. Like I've seen gold fast. He still was fast.
Mm-hmm.
Feels equally quick as the FOMC move. 10 seconds. Oh, cool.
Yeah, but just consolidated a long time and just made a lot of sense. Like that's why I didn't move my self stop. I knew once my self stop was gonna get hit, clean traffic to the left, volume coming down from that consolidation area. I did not know it was gonna go so fast. I'm gonna be honest with you with that, but it did what I expected it to do. Ron, can you please break down your analysis why you got gold? Oh yeah, go ahead. Oh, sorry, I was talking right through it.
I had a 50 pip take profit, and I'm like, that's good enough, more than enough. I would have never known that.
I was like, let me get that 100 pips this time.
Yeah, no, why not?
Something different. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, we all need to get a place like Christopher Mendes, man. It's change. Focused on. Can you please break down your analysis on why you thought gold would sell instead of continue moving up? Well, if we go to go back up here and go to the daily time frame, price went up towards this zone here to the left. Like this was a crucial zone to me, and it did this with Pearl, and it did this like a very crucial zone. And we went up there and we rejected from it, right? And at that moment, I was like, okay, maybe this was just a pull back up to this zone to retest this zone and create that support again in that zone, and take that level into consideration again. I was like, okay, that could happen. And I saw the daily not having a bottom wick, right? And also the daily having a wick to fill, right? So what was the probability of coming back down, fill that daily wick? For me, it was pretty high, at least, like for me. So if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, arrow thing, I have my gum. Good, there we go. Back to the 4-hour time frame. We're going to be looking right here. 4-hour time frame. Arrow. We stopped right here at 70. Made small bullish candles up. Price started slowly going up, going up, going up. We talk about this many times. So 3 bullish candles. You know what's going to happen after that. But that does not matter right here. This is just a full-on market structure trade. I would pretty much expect the price to do the same as right here, right? Price came up to this previous zone. See this candle closing exactly at the zone, like that, exactly at the level it closed there. This candle came up, rejected this previous high, came back down, right? Now, once price starts coming back down like that, we're rejecting bullish momentum. And I was like, okay, this candle doesn't have a huge bottom wick to the downside, right? Doesn't have a huge bottom wick on the downside this 4 hour, because it was somewhere like right here. Like this was the bottom wick at like it was above at like 91 or something. I don't know what it was exactly, but it doesn't matter. Once I saw that, I was like, okay, once we start breaking that lower wick, we're going to be fully rejecting this resistance right here, and we're going to continue pushing back down towards the lows right here to the left at 70, right? If it makes sense to you. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, right? We go to the 1 hour time frame. We're going to take a look at this 1 hour time frame. Pretty much doing the same thing, right? Came up, created support, here a resistance with a wick. Now most people would say, okay, yeah, price closed above, we're going to take buys, and we're going to fill this wick, right? No, you're at resistance. And a lot of people didn't know, because a lot of people were taking this level in consideration, because this was the most recent level. But if you go left, that level was very, very strong. And normally I don't take all levels into consideration, and sometimes I do, and that's all based on experience, because I've had a lot of questions about that, but that's all on experience. And this candle pretty much did a fake out, because it closed back down below this zone. Now, this was the 4 hour low right here. This level, this candle right here, this bearish candle. And I was like, yeah, if it gets broken by the 1 hour candle time frame, we should continue moving down to this level, and then back down to this level. We go lower again one more time. It's pretty much the same situation. Pretty much the same. Let's remove them for a second. So it was pretty much based on the 4 hour time frame, expecting price to, you know, start breaking and flying down once we start breaking the 4 hour low, and then we're rejecting on the 4 hour. Yeah, now we pretty much engulfed previous 4 hour candles, and yeah, that's it. I can't say a lot more about it. That was all the analysis what was there, because we had just had the sell stop, and the sell stop wasn't based on direct structure in the lower time frames, but it was structured on that 4 hour low. And what helped us a lot was that price started ranging from 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock, right? We were in a range for more than 4 hours, right? And what happens if we range for more than 4 hours in a trending market? We're gonna break out, and we're not gonna break out slow. We're gonna break out fast. Now, what I said before is that I did not know it was gonna break out that fast. To be honest with you, I did not know that, but at the end of the day, it worked well. But if you take trades like this next time, make sure like it's fully below the zone, because if you look left, I could have had my sell stop like a lot higher. I could have had it like right here, like 3, 4, 5 pips above, and then it would still be valid. But I really needed that entire structure to break, and for price to really start moving back down to create that 4 hour body. But yeah, that's it. 4 hour, fully 4 hour base trade, expecting price to start, rejecting and then engulfing the previous 4 hour body itself, full candle, like including the wick down there. So hopefully it made sense with a little much on the explanation, but hopefully it made sense to you. Write it down if you are interested in it. Try and take it next time. So if you yeah, for a lot of people it was a little bit delicate, but it's all 4 hour. Some people filmed it. No. Holy. I see how fast that went. That was insane, man. Look. Actually. Inside way. Fake. Kind of. Yeah, most of the times, yeah, but I understand what you type there. It's a little off, but I understand it. But like in London, it doesn't move like this. Like maybe it moves like 30 pips like this, but this was 100 pips. Like didn't expect that to happen, to be honest.
Yeah, and why open is crazy on gold.
That was mad, man.
That's insane.
I want to see this 4-hour close. That's what I'm interested in. 4-hour close. That's gonna tell us a lot.
Yeah, I think the moves have already happened for NYSE.
Yeah, maybe. We still have potential once we flip on that daily. That's right here at 73. We're gonna continue down towards 76, 66 again, 76. Build that wick. I don't know what's gonna happen after that because this is strong daily support.
True.
But yeah, like the daily gave a lot of confluence. The daily resistance, 4-hour resistance, 4-hour rejection, 1-hour rejection, daily no bottom wick, daily wick to fill. You know. Awesome, man. Thanks for the drip on gold. I'm logging into that on my YouTube drip log. Right along Kerwin, so thank you, man. Man, I want to go to that pool too, Guala.
Pull up.
Yeah, we know how far that is to drive.
I don't know, like 3 hours.
Yeah, plus, then it's already closed, probably.
Yeah, by that time it's done.
Go sneak in. You're a beast, bro. Thank you.
It's just thank you, man. I really wonder how this week's gonna close, man.
Mamba, this is a true sign of why patience and planning will always pay you. Yes. Like, I'm a patient guy, right? I don't care if price moves while, like, no, well, like Augusta said this morning about me as well, like, everything can happen. I'll say, yeah, I'll get in later. I'll get in later. But, you know, I just wait for the correct opportunity. The things I've seen over and over and over again. And you know, what I'm happy about this week is that I really were able to move some dumb trades. Got me like grand. Holy. Damn.
Oh, yeah, I saw that too.
Yeah. Luke, where are you from? Because you can understand Dutch. Are you from Belgium or Holland? Got no idea, man, like Jasper.
From everywhere but nowhere.
Yo, this guy is spamming, man. Get this guy on a... Oh, wait, that's a little too much. And give this guy a timeout. Timeout. Thank you, man, for the analysis. Yeah, no problem. Pretty set, pretty easy. But I know it for next time. What I learned on this trade, even though it was a winning trade, what I learned on this trade to always, you know, next time in New York, when New York Open is, that I don't need to worry that much if price is gonna move up, down, up, down, up, down like that. Oh.
Excuse me. That was a hiccup.
Hiccup.
Mute myself.
There was news. There was no news.
No, man, it's a normal market move.
Yeah, look, there's no news. Or news got added because you can't see it right here. Right? No news, nothing. Where do you see news?
Maybe it means like a not a planned news, but like something unplanned happened. But even then,
yeah, but even then
we were looking for sells.
Yeah, it was a
we were looking for sells way before, so the news just helped us out.
The news helped us out then with moving down, but overall, planned already.
If you have
Love
the experience,
from Pakistan, man. Thank you, man. Like for G.
If you have the experience in a pair and have watched it move, then you really don't need any indicators or fundamentals. The experience will tell you enough.
Yep.
The behavior and things like that, it'll tell you enough.
Yep. Man, I miss all these big moves with gold. But I learned a lot. Well, it's okay. You learned. Like, learning a opportunity right there. It was worth way more than the trade itself. That was pretty mad. Hey, look, how did you determine the target? 100 pips.
100 pips.
Like, yeah, I looked a little bit, but it was not like it was. I was looking at this little thing here to the left, and I was like, okay, yeah. If we get to that zone, we're above 100 pips, like 120 pips, and then that's okay for me. Like, your full target should have been this target, but 100 pips for me, yeah, that's already good enough, man. I didn't need any more than that. Check this. I got no idea, man. Maybe. Yeah, it was a very good session. Both sessions, actually. Like, both of them
both
were
are
on
good.
point. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swim. I'm gonna go to my father's house, gonna swim there.
Yeah, that's really good. I might also take a bath or swim.
Got 9 minutes left. Gonna wait 9 minutes until this 4-hour candle, and then. Hey, look! If you don't see a 15-minute candle closing with a wick at bottom or top, you enter impulsively. Where would you have been entered? Where would you have entered again? Yeah, that's delicate. Like, that sell stop was the entry. Like, there was no other entry.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly. I missed it.
Yeah, go ahead.
I was like, I was looking to at least correct the hourly candle to the left, that whole which was what, a 50 pip range.
Yeah.
But I'm like, how aggressive do I want to execute on that? I'm already super happy with my week, so I'm like, well, don't want to necessarily risk it on a sell stop, so let's wait for a more comfortable execution. But yeah, that didn't happen. So then, you just need to decide how comfortable do you, or how aggressively do you want to execute on a setup.
Yep. There's no big in open volume route. Yeah, probably. I got no idea about FTMO, man. I got no idea how that works.
Well, yeah, that resets every day, obviously, right? You need to check their website at what time it resets.
Yeah. No idea. Thanks, Luke. Good, profitable session. A lot of lessons. Yeah, man. Everyone. Trade 6 minute trade. Gold is selling off course. Fundamentals and dropping again. Baba boy. We have 7 minutes left.
Thanks, guys. I'm just gonna head off. Thank you.
Perfect, man. Thank you for being here, man.
care.
I'm waiting on this 4-hour. I want to see what this thing does.
You're looking for the third trade to risk the profits.
Oh no! I'm good. I'm good.
Like 30% of the
I'm
profits.
Good. No. Not even nothing. Like this 4-hour can open, can do everything, man.
Yeah, at this point it closed way too far down for me to trade NYSE. So I'm gonna call it a day with the close.
Thanks, Luke. Didn't get all 100 pips, but that was an awesome trade. Yeah, perfect, man. But you took it. Oh, what? Oh, damn. That gold was beautiful. The analysis and breakdown was educational. Thank you for helping us to end the week on a winner. 2 winners. Forget that. Morning as well. Winner on. But gotta give credits to Augustus, Master P, and Frank for that one. It was a very good trade that they called out. I was looking at the same thing, but they didn't actually. I probably wouldn't have the balls to do it too.
That was a good trade, yeah.
Yeah, it was a very good trade. Big up to that one. But my magic keys. I need to fix my magic keys. There is something wrong.
Yeah, true. Need to check that out.
Okay. Like if I have close, click on close half, close full, it just doesn't work.
Does it work if you press it on the chart? Does anything show up?
What?
Like click on the
open calc and open trade work, market pending work, but for some reason closing positions not.
It doesn't register anything, even on the.
No.
Okay.
Nothing.
Yeah,
not even on the expert advisor thing. Doesn't even show that I clicked the button.
Oh yeah, then you wanna contact their support team.
Yeah.
They'll send you a new one. But I'm gonna call it a day over here. I spent enough hours behind the chart. I'm gonna enjoy Friday.
3 minutes more waiting for this close to see where it's gonna close. Because if it's closing that barrier, it's just gonna fill that daily low. Probably gonna pull back up
down there.
Yeah. Only 3 minutes.
Yeah,
wait,
if it forms
3 minutes, man.
Well, it's not gonna happen right in the first 3 minutes. It might happen at NYSE in 30 minutes. I think if you get a bullish candle on the 30-minute with the new 4-hour and then it breaks the low without going down first, so it first creates the top wick and then breaks the low, then it's definitely gonna go down, fill the wick, and then from there, who knows?
It was pretty much. What the fuck is that? It was pretty. It was pretty much the same trade as this one, all the way on the top.
Yeah, exactly.
It was pretty much the same. Like that was not how big of a call out that was. I'm gonna count that. Oh, say shit that I didn't call it out. Please.
1,320
pips. That got called out live, fam.
Yeah.
No joke.
Who's holding?
Who's holding?
Who's holding? Yeah.
And everyone was saying, "No, it's gonna be buys," and I was like, "No, sells." Thanks, Luke. Had it not been for you, I would have closed my sales in negative 100. Instead, I made profits. God bless you guys. Oh, thank you, man. Kim. Okay, probably a woman. Thank you, man.
You got a suggestion in the Zoom chat. Delete the magic keys EA from the chart, turn off magic keys, and then add the EA back on the charts, and then turn magic keys on. Should work.
Oh, yeah, I'll do that.
So maybe try
probably,
that
this
sometime.
weekend. Yeah, I don't know the time. I didn't.
Oh, damn.
Went to the barber straight away.
True.
I had, I had a good chat though. Very good. 1 minute left. Oh, we are not on 500 likes yet. We're 43 likes of 500 likes. So you guys know what to do. Excuse me. Come on, guys, press those like buttons. We're about to hit 500. We have enough people waiting to hit 500, so you're lacking if you haven't tapped that button yet. 93. We're about to hit. We're about to hit it. It was 30 in a couple of seconds. Yes, there we go. 503. Nice. Thank you, guys. Let's blow those horns one more time. Yeah, man. Thank you.
Yeah, if it didn't hit that 500, we would have probably stopped the stream and started selling these signals. Everybody charged.
Well, everybody talking for themselves. Okay, we got 18 seconds left for this candle close. And a 1 hour candle, we're closing strongly below 30-minute. It's closing a little weak. 15 is closing a little weak, so we might see retrace soon towards like 83. Yeah, I think it's gonna retrace to 83, and after that come back down. It's gonna make that 4-hour wick up there, and then come back down. But yeah, it was a fun session.
Yeah, 100%.
It was a fun session. I feel sad for the people who dislike the stream. Oh yeah, don't matter, man. Doesn't matter.
It's all good.
Oh, good. Thanks everyone here. It was a beautiful educational stream, man. You are awesome dudes. Thank you, thank you. It was 4 hours. You see that flip? Ooh, yeah, that's coming back up. It might retest this level, what I said, at 83.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, create a resistance against that and continue to bring it down. Same thing will happen here, all the way to the left side. Yeah, we're pretty long stream. 2.5 hours both. So,
True.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna call it one. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Subscribe. It will help us a lot. Also, don't forget to put on that ring notification bell on, so you're notified when we come on live every single day. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys Monday morning. Enjoy the weekend. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. You know it.
Take care.
Take care. Peace out. There we go.